Hi, Adam here, and I'm back with another video of malicious file hunter software. In this video, I'll show you how to search and locate files pertaining to come from Costco, but they're actually Costco themed malware. They've been sent for a while now. So if you're an IT system administrator, an IT security professional looking after a business network of Windows computers, this will be useful. So the emails I'm talking about, they look like this. So they appear to come from Costco wholesale. They will say that failed delivery, or there's an order waiting for you, or we just need a confirmation for something. Something along these lines that will contain a link. And this link will usually point to a compromised website. Now, if any of the users click that link, they will download a zip file. Recently, the malware writers has been using geotagging and geolocation generated files. Basically, the user will download the file according to their location. So once the email come in, if the user clicks the link, they will download, let's say they're in London, they will download Costco form _ London, or Zurich, or Hamburg, or New York. It depends where they are, and all this is just attempts to convince the user to unzip the file and just double click it to see what's in it, because it looks more local to them than just a Costco form. Okay, so I have a malicious file hunter here up and running, and I have one of those files located in two of these machines here. I'm using just three. Obviously, you can add as many as you want, so you can do an IP array, upload a text file. You can search hundreds or even thousands of machines in your network. All you need is the right admin right here. More details on that in other videos, especially setting up malicious file hunter. So malicious file hunter will do a search for files related to Costco form. So let's say your emails or one of the users complained of receiving one of those files. You can easily run a search and see if any of those files are around. So let's say the email, the file name, the zip file name is called Costco London.zip. So you can do a search for that. It's now searching this local host, and next is going to move to another machine. The speed will depend on available resources on those machines, because this is a distributed kind of search, and also depends on how many threads you're using on malicious file hunter. So the more threads, the more simultaneous searches you can run. So there we go. We found a file called, let's show this a bit. Okay, Costco form London, and it's under the documents of a user called tester. Now, with this file, if it's detected by an antivirus, it wouldn't be here. If it's not, then you can use the copy to share feature and copy it to a path of your choice, send it to AV vendor, and develop a signature for it, or do file analysis on it if needed. Now, if you've seen this file, let's say you're a multinational corporation and you've received this file in various locations. Now, obviously, it would not be called just London. It would probably be called Costco form _ the user location. In that case, you can do a search for Costco form and add a .zip. That way, it will return all variations of Costco form something.zip. Okay. Right, search is running now. I'm using just one thread because it's just 3 machines. I would use more for more simultaneous searches if needed. So it's now searching a Windows 7. So okay, so we found Costco form. Let's resize this a bit for easy viewing. Okay, Costco form Hamburg. It's on tester server. London as well. Berlin, Boston. So all these are zip files. Now, the zip file basically needs to be open, and the exe inside needs to be run for an infection to be successful. So you can also run a search to see if any of the machines have actually extracted the content of these files, and you can replace the zip with the .exe. Let's run the search on that. Okay. Now search finished, and as you can see, resize this a bit more. Okay, it found Costco, Fulham, Hamburg, London, New York, Berlin, all in these paths. Now obviously you can just leave out the .exe altogether, and that will return all the files, whether they are .exe or zips. Okay, that's it for finding Costco themed malware emails like we saw. You can use the same technique for finding similar malware that hits your network. That way you can find them and then take remediation action if needed. Thank you.